Hi traders, super excited to announce that Topstep now has a 90-10 profit split. So effective immediately, all funded traders are able to receive 90% of their profits. I'm excited about this because that means you'll be able to keep more of your profits. I also really want to encourage you to take those profits off the table. Now, to do that, we have this first payout bonus. This first payout bonus is a bonus you receive when you take your first payout on your funded account. So that's our way of saying you're a professional when you get paid, pay yourself. And last but not least, you're gonna get this all to you quicker than ever. We're able to process our payouts. We heard your feedback. Thank you for the folks that left us feedback and said you should be paying out people faster. Well, we are now. So if you get us those payout requests in before 10 a.m. on a business day, then we can process those the same day and you'll get those probably within a couple days. So hopefully this is our way of showing you that we really want to encourage you and get that money to you quicker. But in general, funded traders, keep putting up those profits. You're the one that's paying yourself, and you're the one I'm excited about. And we have more funded traders than ever coming up, and I'm excited about that. So keep trading well, always trade for tomorrow, and let's go back in these markets and get them.